What's good, Joe? Stock trades. In today's video, I just want to tell y'all about today's trade. So today, I haven't taken any trade. It's Monday, and I really don't value my trades on Monday based on the fact that we don't really have lots of volatility on Mondays. You feel me? So right now, I just set a limit order, buy limit order, and the fact that price was about breaking this line. I didn't enter the trade based on the fact that we didn't have a lot of momentum um on this break. You feel me? So what I did was set a limit. Although I feel like price is still gonna retest on this area a bit because we kind of like in a consolidation market right now. Yeah, we kind of like in a little bit consolidation market. So price might retest a bit backwards to the zone and then break my trend line, and this trend line is over a week's worth of data, so we got lots of data on the trend line. It's not like we're just entering based on gambling and type shit like that. It's based on strategy that works. And I got a second news for y'all. Instagram account got suspended. Yeah, my Instagram account got suspended, as you can see on the screen. And the fact that Instagram suspended my account for no goddamn reason. I didn't violate any guidelines, but they said I did. So I already appealed to them, and hopefully I get my account back. You know, uh, yeah. So that's just basically it. I got suspended on Instagram, so I can only just post on YouTube. My TikTok also got some issues. I am not able to like get visibility on my accounts. I don't even know why. It looks like I also violated a crime there also. So I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to rectify all the issues, but right now I am trying to do my Instagram because my other account on Instagram, my main account on Instagram, I got a second account that is not trading on Instagram, and it's also got affected based on the fact that I linked both accounts together. So it's in a really hot mess right now, and I'm trying to like rectify all the issues, but hopefully they don't suspend me forever. Hopefully they don't, but if they do, I'm still gonna open another account. I don't give a fuck about their policy. I'm still gonna open another account, do what I do best. And right now I'm gonna just be on YouTube documenting my journey just like I said I'm gonna be doing. And I'm gonna update you guys on this trade. So yeah, this is basically it for this trade. I'm gonna come back and show y'all. It might be tomorrow that my zone will get triggered. It might not just be today. You feel me? Because the market has low momentum today. It's so low. It's going so slow. So it might not be today. This zone is gonna get respected or get triggered. So we're just gonna wait and watch what the market is gonna do. Peace out. And uh, today I got a loss. I got a loss today again. I've been on a losing streak for about 2 weeks now, or 3 weeks, almost a month of losing streak. And although the last week I didn't trade it at all last week based on the fact that I was in school. I was trying to do some kind of stuff and stuff like that. So let's go through this trade. I got in this trade because we got a break over here, and it did consolidate to my safety line, broke my safety line. My safety line was way over here, and it broke my safety line early enough on consolidation, which indicated for me to get out of the trade based on the fact that it wasn't gonna go my way. I would have gotten out of this trade with profit or nothing at all. I wasn't gonna get a loss or something like that. But I didn't follow my strategy. I still adjusted the line. I was thinking that price was still gonna go my way, and it literally just reversed down, and that's just basically it. That was literally what happened. So we didn't have light yesterday, so I wasn't able to like get off the trade on time. I would have still seen this, but regardless, we keep moving on. My account is in a massive drawdown right now, and I just gotta get up back. I gotta make that profit back. You feel me? So that's just basically it. That's literally it. So I'm gonna catch you in the next video. It's good, yo. It's stock trades here, and in today's video, yeah, I know I haven't actually been posting videos lately, but I almost blew my account yesterday. We didn't have live for about 2 days. No, 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. For two. So we didn't have live for about 2 days, and it was crazy. And yeah, so in today's video, I really just want to go straight in right up to the charts. And as you can see on the charts right now, we are on crude. I'm not yet on a trade on crude right now. You feel me? I'm trying to like get in on a trade, but it still haven't given me a confirmation candlestick. So I'm waiting for a confirmation candlestick right here, about maybe two more candlesticks or one more candlestick. So I'm gonna be waiting for about an hour to get my confirmation candlestick on whether I'm gonna get into this trade or not. You feel me? So that's it on crude. Over to GBP. GBP has really been doing me dirty lately. It has been doing me dirty lately, and I feel like it's been on like a consolidation. GBP is a really funny pair. It was on a downtrend for a while, and then right on the spot we got a consolidation, and it's been consolidating. So what actually took me out on GBP was right on the spot right here, where the market actually did a fake out. I it was part of my mistake, because I was actually thinking that the market was gonna get like a pullback to the zone right here, but it didn't get a pullback, and we got a fake out. And my mistake was that I got into this trade so early, because I was like eager to like get into a trade. It's been so long I haven't got into no trade at all. So I was so eager to get into a trade, and yeah, the market did me dirty. But that's how it is in trading. You just gotta do what you gotta do. The best part was that I got a proper risk management, so I lost a lot, but not a lot. You feel me? Yeah, I lost a lot, but not a lot like that. So we got we're still in consolidation. Hopefully we break out of this consolidation. I'm anticipating a sell on GBP, but it feels like we're not gonna get anything on GBP. Let's see what the news says today. I don't usually use the news, but I use the news to anticipate what is actually gonna happen in the market. You feel me? I use it part of my analysis. It doesn't actually define my decisions, but it's still a very important aspect of my strategy. So I don't really use the news, but it's still something that is essential when it comes to my strategy, because I do with the news I do know when the markets are actually gonna like have spikes, and when we're just gonna like be having mini candlesticks like right now. My phone almost fell. Yeah. So I don't know when we're gonna be having mini candlesticks like right now. So let's see what the market says. So yeah, this is what the market is giving me right now. This is the 24th of June, and we literally got nothing on Wednesday. Look at it right here. We got nothing on Wednesday, and yeah, right here. We got nothing on Wednesday, and it's crazy because we will get um I'm anticipating the sell, and on Thursday by 1:30 p.m. Nigeria West African time, we might get a really um crazy move on USD GBP. You feel me? So we might get a crazy sell. We might get a crazy sell tomorrow by 1:30. But it's still anticipation and stuff like that. I'm still gonna use my strategy. If my strategy still tells me buy, I might still buy by that time. You feel me? But I'm anticipating the sell, and it's really going the same way the news is actually. I'm gonna bring high risk news and stuff like that. So um, as you can see on Wednesday we got nothing, so that's why the chart is actually giving little movements like that. So that's it for the news, and I'm just gonna be waiting like this. I might possibly enter crude oil right now because we might get something good. So let's just go over to the chart. So this is the trade on crude, and yeah, it does look like it's a fake out. It does look like it's a fake out. So we just gonna this doesn't want to get off. It just look like it's gonna be a fake out. You feel me? So I guess I'm just gonna let it slide because it looks like it's a fake out right over here. So I'm just gonna let it slide. I'm not gonna that this is the main importance of um strategy and having confirmation candlesticks, because if you don't have confirmation candlesticks then you're just gonna be entering a lot of crazy type of fake out trades, and yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna update you all later on. I'm gonna get off right now. I'm gonna update you all later on what is going on. By the way, my Instagram account has been permanently banned, and I'm working on getting a new Instagram account. So if you guys like videos like this, you know what to do. Just make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell, so that whenever I drop a video, y'all are gonna get a lot. Y'all are gonna get notified. Yeah, I was about to say something else, but fuck that. So yeah, that's it on this video. I'm gonna update you all on what's gonna happen on this trade. But for now, nothing really significant is gonna happen on this trade. But if something significant happen, I'm definitely gonna update you all on this trade. So that's it. And today's Thursday, and yeah, we got a loss. Man, I don't know what's going on. I keep trading GBP and I keep hitting losses after losses after losses, and it just sucks. It sucks a lot. I should have changed pairs. That's part of my mistake. Y'all can see this on crude. We are actually going good on crude, and the fact that I missed this trade is what is pissing me off, because crude is more volatile than GBP, and I was scared that I wasn't gonna like get in this trade on time, because look at where the momentum of this candlestick started from, and it didn't even show any sign that it was going to reverse back. I was trying, if I had waited for like a retest, I would have missed this trade, which I still missed because I was in a trade on GBP at that time and it was kind of going like good, and then we got a reversal on GBP, which was just crazy. So on crude, we if I had gotten to this trade, I literally would have recovered my account back. I literally would have recovered my account back. But I didn't get on this trade because I was a little bit skeptical about this trade. If you watched yesterday, if you watched yesterday's video when I said that I was looking for a confirmation candlestick at this point on crude, give me a confirmation candlestick. So I'm waiting for a confirmation candlestick right here, about maybe two more candlesticks or one more. I didn't get, you feel me? I didn't get that confirmation candlestick. Um we just got a really crazy pull candlestick right here, and it just started moving like that. And the crazy part about this trade is that we are in a downtrend, like a literally crazy downtrend. And it's amazing. It's amazing to see that crude isn't giving a lot of pullbacks, because crude always give a lot of pullbacks, and that always makes me a little bit skeptical about entering a trade on crude. You feel me? So, but this time around, it was really great. Unlike GBP, which is just crazy, which is insane. So I'm not able to on my face cam right now because it's still very early this morning. It's 5 a.m. and I'm literally just waking up, so I cannot turn on my face cam right now. It's a bit dark, even with the light. You definitely not gonna see my face. I'm black. So this was reversing, and it broke my safety line. That was why I got off this trade with a loss. So it did look like it was going like go on my favor for a while, and then we started consolidating till like it broke my safety line and started reversing back. You feel me? So I feel like this is not gonna be a reversal. This is more like a retest that's gonna like take liquidity around this area and then start retracing back. You feel me? Whatever the market wanna do, let it do it. Let it do it. You know, the market's gonna do its thing. So let me just show you all how my account looks right now. My account is red, and I would just be risking about 7% right now. 7% is what's remaining in my account, and I would blow that account totally on Naira Trader. They're even warning me that the account, they're like, be careful, be careful, you are close to limit. That simply means I'm gonna be blowing this account soon. I'm gonna be taking a trade today. That is if the market presents a setup for me. If I don't see no setup, I'm not taking no trade. But if I see a setup, I'm definitely gonna take a trade. You feel me? So that is basically it on my Naira Trader account, and yeah, it's crazy, man. It's insane. It's insane. But it is what it is. Am I gonna get another account? Definitely. If I blow this account, I'm gonna get another account. Even if I don't blow this account, I'm still gonna get another account. Have I gotten the payout from them? Yes, I've gotten the payout from them once. I've gotten once a payout once from them. After that, this happened. But I've gotten a payout from Naira Trader. But I'm looking to get the Fivers or Maven prop account. But I feel like I'm gonna get Maven first because it's way cheaper and that's what I can afford for now. You feel me? Then later on, when I scale up, uh I could get the Fivers account. You feel me? So that's basically my plans right now. So I love y'all, and thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on Friday.